This step is one of my favorites. Covering the whole piece with this water-based Mod Podge and acrylic black paint solution not only forms a great base for the painting step, but gives the whole project extra durability. The most important point, however, is that from this point on, it is no longer a question of a set of pieces. Everything comes together, each part finds a common identity, and the whole begins to be a little closer to the idea we have in mind. I like to use this mixture quite diluted, so that it can penetrate every crevice, every crack. In works like this, in which the materials have a very similar color, tending towards white, a more diluted coat of primer maintains a certain difference in tones, once again facilitating the painting phase. Again, drying time.